can show Gammy this.
Hold it up so you get them. You head them off. Kind of. There you go.
Gammy's gonna love this.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! I wish I could see this in person.
Ooh, just hold it as flat. Oh, that was oh.
That was like right over me.
I can't believe they're shooting them off here with the weather. I thought everybody's banned toilets.
What?
Before we go back on the ride, we gotta run this up to the car.
And do you tampon?
Okay, yeah, let's go around. Yeah, my pom-pom.
Is that it?
Come on, no way.
Is that it?
Summer, nobody knows. They're just watch.
My video keeps going.
Well, can't you pause it?
No.
Oh. There should be a way to pause.
More fireworks. We'll be back. I got 3 minutes of it already.
I was like 5 for you jumping. Oh, does that chick have blinky hair over there?
Oh, it's her little glangy thing.
No, it's in her hair, isn't it?
Yeah, the little things that you put in your hair and you...
Are they like little clips? Have you seen them?
Yeah, I think so.
Where have you seen them?
I don't know.
Is it like hair extensions or are they little clips you clip in your hair?
I don't know. I
should invent that, little blinky clips. That would be cool.
How would you do that?
I don't know, put the little lights and the little hair, tiny little hair clips and you clip them all over your hair.
Yeah, how would you invent them? How'd you get them all over the world?
I don't know. Right there standing next to it. I was going to.
There might not be more. I got like a minute of blank.
Well, you can edit that out, can you? Well, then stop it until you hear him start again.
I don't want to get 2 videos. I want to just get 1. I'm going to put this on YouTube.
No, you're not.
So.
No, you're not. They're not that good. We didn't see them.